Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison test between the Realme X2 Pro versus the POCO X3 device. As you can clearly see right now, I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone and the Realme X2 Pro device. So in this video, I'll be comparing the side by side the loudspeaker test, and the reason why I'm doing this video because both phones they do have the stereo or speaker setup, and that's why I decided to compare side by side which loudspeaker will be the best option and which will be very crisp and clear as well. So here I got the small sound meter as well, and in case if you're wondering what kind of live wallpapers I'm using, which looks very good and amazing as well. So I did have so many comments regarding the wallpaper, so that's why I'll be trying to mention before itself. So try to check the playlist of the wallpaper, so there you can find plenty of live wallpapers as well. It is a playlist for the wallpapers. Try to check that playlist, and even there is a separate playlist for the POCO X3 mobile phone as well, in case if you want to know more details about the POCO X3. And on the Realme X2 Pro, I think I did upload close to 200 of videos, I think so. So 200 videos I already uploaded on the Realme X2 Pro device, so you can check those videos as well. So let's get started with this kind of comparison right now. So let me open the music player here, as you can see. So right now I'll be starting from the low volume to the gradually I'll try to increase the volume little by little, and here is the sound meter as well. I'll try to place the phone on the table, and then you can listen to the sound how it is. As you can see, exactly I'm trying to place the loud sound meter in the middle as well, not changing any positions. As you can see, exactly close to both phones in equal distance. So let me try to increase the volume gradually. So the maximum I saw about 99, as you can see 99 and 98. I did see this kind of number here. So now let me test the POCO X3's loudspeaker. So overall friends, in terms of the number, both phones they do have same kind of number 98. So now let me try to bring the both phones close to the camera so you can actually feel the sound as well, which phone has the more beat effect. So let me start first in the Realme X2 Pro with the full volume. So overall friends, this is a quick loudspeaker comparison between both of the smartphones, and both are doing pretty good to each other. So I did not observe much difference between both of the smartphones, Realme X2 Pro and the POCO X3 device. So maybe I did do the another loudspeaker comparison between the POCO X2 as well. So it is a POCO X2 which I did. So try to check that video in case if you didn't check. So overall in this loudspeaker conclusion is that both phones are pretty good. So there is nothing much major difference in terms of the beat sound and everything. Clarity and everything is good in terms of the quality as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.